All right, let's view some examples, which I think you'll all want to see. Ribbit in action, and then of course we'll get into the code samples and such. So I'm going to switch over to Eclipse, and the first one I want to show you is Ribbit Air Filter app. So I'm going to come in here and launch this. This is a little air app, and we can explore the code of this later on. So what you see here is a rendering inside the browser in Air of a Yahoo local page, giving us pizza places in Mountain View. Ribbit is based in Mountain View, and so we use this sometimes to call out for pizza. We get pizza often at the office, as you can imagine, a busy startup as we've been the last year. So when I click this button, it's going to make an action script call back out to the Flex app, and then of course I can come in and I can log in with my Ribbit account information. And I'll be typing this a lot today, so bear with me. And I log in here, and once it logs me into the service, it's going to kick back out, and of course I can start calling these different pizza places. And what you'll see here is the phone number gets populated, and I can even add that restaurant as a contact. And well, let's try calling one of these places. I don't know who's going to be open right now on a Sunday morning, but let's make our first call. They might not be open yet. All right. Hang up. Let's try someplace else that might be open, like eBay. eBay never sleeps. I think Walgreens is like 24/7. There we go. And then once that page loads, it fires a HTML loaded event, which should activate that button there, telling me that the HTML is loaded, and that I can click through. It does the filter. I hit that up. I'm already logged in, and let's call again. Walgreens. Anyone need any pharmaceuticals ordered or anything like that? Let's see if you can get. Okay, this demo doesn't work on Sunday mornings. I'll make a note of that. Anyway, we are dialing out somewhere, and I'll load up another example and call somebody here in the audience. But that's what. Anyway, it's pretty cool, and you can see sort of the integration is very simple. I'll get into the code of that a little later on. Let's take a look at the CoverFlow app that I did, and this uses actually something that Doug McCune wrote. CoverFlow API. Big fans of Doug. He actually helped with the framework for the initial API, if you didn't know that. So let's get into CoverFlow. I'll load it up here. And what I wanted to do here is sort of get into the coolness of the address book aspect, the contacts. So I'm going to run this once again, log in. And what this is going to do is it's going to go into the Ribbit API and pull up my contacts. And those contacts that I have photos entered for, it'll actually pull them in and give me the photo rendering. So I can actually go through here and view all that. Of course, some I don't have photos for. But anyway, I think it's pretty cool just to show how you can pull contacts in. And then this is a Flex app, so this is a Swift running, right in the browser here. If I click that, and I can call myself. This is my phone. I should get the call. And there I am. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Okay, that's good. So yeah, that's me. I was standing pretty close, so we got a little echo there. But anyway, that's the call from inside this app. I think it's a pretty cool little demo, but I like how you can sort of do all these cool things with contacts and such that you otherwise, normally can't, do with other APIs. So it's pretty cool. We'll get into some other examples later on, but I really want to get into the API to round out this hour. And then during lunch too, and then afterwards, we can sort of review some other code samples and such, a little bit more glamorous things that folks have done. Okay, so let me go back to the deck. Okay. Ribbit API. So essentially what we offer you to build with are the ActionScript 3 SDK, which is a SWIC, which you can pull into Flex. That same SWIC can be pulled into Flash right now, although we really don't support that. We don't have any code samples to show that, but some folks have sort of figured it out. They kind of pat themselves on the back as if they hacked something, and we just encourage that. Good job, you figured that out. So otherwise, it is really made for Flex, though there's actually some array collection and such, XML list and things that are there that we do take advantage of the Flex framework inside that SWIC. So that's the primary piece, and those of you that got your developer account and have already downloaded the SWIC, that's essentially what you're getting. And the current version right now is beta 2.01. We also have a Flex component set, which Wes will be demonstrating this afternoon, which is built on pure MVC and again allows drag and drop integration of Ribbit. If you don't want to code against the AS3 SDK, that's a good alternative. And then for any Flash developers, is anybody here using Flash, or is it all Flex? I would assume it's all Flex, which is cool. But we have that as well, component set. If you work in a group or a company and you have folks that you share in your team or in other groups that are Flash developers or designers, be sure and tell them about the Flash components, because we don't want them to feel left out.